Hello, my name is Divyesh Patel. I am an MBA candidate at the Carnegie Mellon Tepper School of Business, and I'll be pitching Intel Corp as a buy. My main investment thesis centers around the fact that the current market is heavily mispricing this company, and we could receive an extremely attractive dividend yield of 4.5%. Also, the threat of the dying PC market is overblown. The prevalence of mobile devices creates an enormous opportunity for Intel going forward. And finally, there's very limited downside risk. The market currently anticipates almost no growth and a CFROI of below Intel's cost of capital. Therefore, my recommendation is a buy with a price target of 26.19 based on a conservative Holt CFROI model. This represents 27% premium to its current share price. As you can see here in the Holt model, we see that the market generally anticipates CFR around 5% and an asset growth rate around 0%. Now, this is actually a bit ridiculous because this 5% ROI growth falls in line with this green line right here, which signifies Intel's cost of capital. This 0% asset growth rate is actually below general US GDP consensus, which falls around 3%. The Holt model actually values it CFRI around 10% and asset growth around 5%, and this yields a price target of 38.74, which is an 88% premium from today's prices. Now, if we take a look at market cap and other factors, Intel, there's very low probability that it's going to effectively double in size, which is around 80-90% growth. So I've created a conservative case scenario, and it still yields a 27% premium above today's price at $26.19 a share. Now, this CFROI growth rate is around 7.5%, which is essentially the median of what the market consensus is in Holt, and an asset growth rate of 3%, which falls in line with US GDP consensus. And as you can see here, the 7.5% tapers off within 5 years, and the US GDP 3% asset growth rate starts immediately, and it's going on forward. And this yielded a 26.19 a share, 27% premium. This, paired with the 4.5% dividend yield, makes for a very extremely attractive investment. Thank you guys for your time, and thank you for hosting the Holt Valuation competition. I greatly enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye.